For over 60 years, Drolet has helped you face winter with solid and efficient heaters. Discover the Chic-Choc, the wood-burning cook stove that combines cozy heat and traditional cooking to enhance your family moments. Providing warmth and comfort, the Chic-Choc is ideal for spaces up to 2,300 square feet. Its very large combustion chamber and its secondary combustion system, which optimizes efficiency, allow to reach up to 10 hours of combustion with a single load of wood. Equipped with a large stainless steel oven and a large steel cooking surface, the Chic-Choc is specifically designed to cook hearty meals for the whole family. Whether you're a fan of meat, fresh bread, or Sunday morning brunches, the possibilities are endless. The Chic-Choc is thought out down to the smallest detail to provide a user-friendly experience. An oven with a removable bottom to facilitate cleaning. 4 removable cooking plates to simplify maintenance. 2 stainless steel racks with legs. An air damper and a gas flow key to regulate combustion and adjust the cooking temperature. A 2-piece assembly of the appliance to make handling and moving much less restrictive. Several accessories are included: an ash drawer, a cleaning hatch, a cleaning brush, and a poker. Get inspired by the Chic-Choc, the wood-burning cook stove that enhances your warm and gourmet moments with family. Designed for true wood heating enthusiasts. Drolet, a higher heating value since 1960.